My best friend is controlling my day. My literal weakness lately. I just want to sleep. A lot of us are just hanging on by a thread. Wait, oh my God. We're not gonna have negative self-talk, Alicia. Oh, no. Okay. This looks so much better. I feel like kind of aesthetic. Does anyone else feel like they deserve a gold star when they do like the bare minimum? Cheers. So I look like absolute shit right now. Feel the dopamine rushing through me already. Good morning, everyone. Today, my best friend is controlling my day because I was texting Ollie and I was like, ugh, do I work out right now? Do I just get ready and vlog? And he's like, he goes, work out right now, then shower and get ready. And vlog the workout too, duh. And I go, ugh, okay. Energy drink now, right? Yes, drink your energy drink. Vlog you right now. I said, best friend controls my day. Okay, Celsius or Alani Nu? He goes, Alani Nu. So we're drinking the Kim-Aid. Posted a TikTok of my first impressions, you guys. Brutally honest taste test. Let's go. Oh my God. This is actually really good. Absolutely not freaking sponsored, but dare I say I will be repurchasing this multiple times. Like it's gonna be on my rotation of energy drinks that I have in my fridge. So I'm assuming this is limited edition, which now I'm scared. Anyways, today's an exciting day because it is Taryn Renee's birthday. You guys know Taryn, she used to be a roomie here. I used to run into her room crying when I was having an anxiety attack and she would talk me off a ledge. We're gonna drive out to her place later today and then we have a birthday dinner tonight and stuff, so I need to pick up a cake. She's out in Orange County, so Lexi and I were gonna leave a little early and maybe go to a coffee shop and like get work done or just like go to her apartment early so we can beat traffic. And I still need to get her a gift. It's hard because I like, when it comes to gifts, I just want to get people things that I know they'll like really use or like really love or they wouldn't buy themselves. And usually I always have a gut thing of like, this person needs this, I'm gonna buy this. And I feel like with Taryn, I'm like, there's things I could get, but I don't want to get it just to get something. I'm like, so I need to like think about it. I'll think about that while I work out. Like, would she like an experience more? I feel like I always buy her like bags and stuff. Oh, update on the brows. Guys, they actually look good. It's finally been a week, so I showered and like all the scabs are off and I feel like they look so much better and they're only gonna get better still from here. So I'm actually really excited with how everything turned out. I look like I have my brows done and I don't. Also, I'm sitting in a new little corner of the living room. I don't know when this vlog's coming out. I'm doing another home decor video, not the office, but like another home decor video for my main channel, and I like keeping things a surprise just because I feel like if I show the vlog, y'all aren't gonna watch the main channel. The whole point is that you guys watch the main channel, but you can kind of see a little sneak peek of what's going on here, but I really like it. Anyway, continuing my best friend controlling my day, Ollie said I should talk about my own fitness journey while I finish this. And I was like, you know what? It's been a minute since we've done one. Right now, currently, I feel like 80% happy with where I am with my fitness journey, my health journey. I think I was traveling so much. As we know, I know I can't stop talking about it. We get it, Alicia, you traveled. But the past few weeks, I feel like I haven't really been working out too hard or crazy because I had that like what are they called? Atypical mole. I had to get a mole removed, so I had stitches for a week and then I couldn't work out for that for 2 weeks, and then I got my brows tattooed essentially, so I couldn't work out still for that, and now I'm on my period and it's so bad. So I haven't been working out that much, and because of that, I feel like I've done a really good job of like not drinking extra water, just eating healthier and stuff. I feel way better already. I'm definitely at like 80%. And knowing my personality, I know I'm never actually 100% happy. So I think 80% is really good. Don't get me wrong though, I still want to get a little more tight and toned. I think I need to figure out where in my day I want to do my workouts. But I honestly don't feel like working out right now, but I officially can post brow and removal of everything. So here I am still talking myself out of it, being like, oh, I don't really want to. I'm like, just don't even think about it and just do it. Honestly, it's all mental. If we went by feelings, the world would get nothing done in life. And we'd all cheat on everyone, you know what I mean? Like, you can't just live by your feelings. You have to just, you know? Update, I think it's been like 20 minutes that I've been sitting here on my phone and I'm still procrastinating working out, and I feel like we're not gonna have negative self-talk, Alicia. We're not gonna say you feel like a piece of shit, because once you say it, you're putting it out there, even though I still just said it. Everyone please comment, you got this. I just wanna sleep. One more chug. So I was playing with my camera settings and I don't know how this happened. So we gotta fix that, but we changed. We're ready for a workout, so let's fix this. This is weird, but like kind of aesthetic. Okay, I think I fixed it. Anyway, next time you see me, I'm about to be sweaty and get my workout done. Okay, we'll say exactly what we knew I was gonna say. I feel so fucking good. Also, it's literally, I looked up, I think it's like 93 degrees outside. So in this garage, it's at least 80 something, which made me sweat twice as hard, but it felt really good. This is your sign. Even if it's just a light stretch, move your body, you will thank you. Your future self will thank you. Now I need to go shower because I need to leave in like an hour. For you, darling.
Thank you.
I love how you're the one who actually bought it. But so thank you. I know what you're thinking. I'm cheating on Alfred. How dare I? But because we're driving out for Taryn's birthday and Lexi's driving, I was like, if she wants Pete's coffee, we're getting Pete's coffee.
And I love Pete's coffee, but we're actually drinking matcha. Like Pete's
coffee. I was like, did I say it wrong?
No,
it's
you're
Pete's.
good. Their coffee is amazing. Their matcha is even better. And now
I'm trusting you.
You're gonna love it.
It's less like intense. It's really good.
It's creamy.
The energy drink I had and this, be bouncing off the walls. Minor change of plans. We were gonna go out early and it literally, I did not think about this. I used to literally live in Orange County and I completely forgot about how bad traffic gets. So we were gonna head out early and it said it was gonna be 2 hours. So we decided just to head back home and get some work done there and then we'll just head out around 6. So that's what we're gonna do because no one wants to be in rush hour traffic. All right, we are back home. Little detour from our plan, but we just got so much stuff done. It reminds me of when we'd work on Parallel and stuff because Lexi was part of that team and this was just such a good work day. Matcha is almost gone. It is really good. If you don't like normal matcha, I would say this is way less sweet than the Starbucks one because the Starbucks one has a lot of sugar, but this one doesn't as much, but it's really good. We have about an hour until we need to leave. And I have 2 furniture things that I need to build. One of them's like a kitchen gadget and the other one, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm crossing my hands that it solves all of my life problems. And if you have pets, that one's gonna be for you. Wait right here. All right, here they are. Okay, the first thing, I ordered this from Amazon. You know those things that you have been meaning to buy for literally years and just keep putting it off because you're like, I can get it next time or next week or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Comment below what that is for you. For me, it's this. All right, this is what we are building and I got this for my pantry because anyone who has been over to my house knows that my pantry is actually like so disorganized. Remy even tackled it once. It just needs more storage. Okay. Step 1. I love how it says they're labeled, but they're not. E goes into C. How do I know what C? Because it doesn't say. Oh. Wait, no. Okay, I think I figured it out. Got it. Okay. Okay, so this doesn't fit. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you my new cart for my pantry. We love organization here. Amazon link down below in the description box. Also, I have to say, I actually like, these come with wheel locks, which is nice. So they actually won't move if you don't want them to. Also, it definitely took me 2 seconds to figure out what I was doing, but once I did, it was extremely easy. So let's go organize my kitchen. I forget exactly how much money it was. I wanna say it was a little more expensive for the black one versus the stainless steel, but I just liked the look of the black one. It's gonna be kind of dark in here, but this is our pantry. Ever since we moved in, I was like, oh, it'd be so nice to get some carts that like come under here that we can pull out because this is not the vibe. So I was thinking of having 2 of these, but I wanted to try this one first to see if I even like it. But I think I am gonna like it because like this is not. This is not ideal. Organizing my pantry. Cooking with Remy, are you so proud of me? Compared to Remy's like pantry makeover, this is gonna be shit. But not all of us are professional chefs, you know? A lot of us are just hanging on by a thread, you know? And that is okay. Protein powder. Blow pops. These have been my literal weakness lately. Oh, my egg cooker. That should be out. I'm trying to think of what I use the most. These little rice things I'm obsessed with, but I don't want to put them up top. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it and we can always change it later. Protein powder next to the candy is probably the best way to describe my life. That's way too tall, but love the idea. All these are expired. Okay, I'm sorry, who am I? This already looks amazing. I do feel like I should switch maybe these guys. Yeah. Wait, oh my God. Oh, no. Okay, protein powder won't fit. Wait, oh my God, love. This looks so much better. Need to go through all of this. Oh my God. Absolutely gonna order another one of these ASAP because I think 2 next to each other would be amazing. Definitely need to go through and declutter some of this stuff. I know all these chips are stale as hell, so we can throw those away, but oh my God, love it. Oh, I should put these guys here. I definitely want this to be the most useful with things that I eat frequently. Now, am I just gonna throw all this back here? Absolutely. Okay, surprisingly, I actually finished organizing this side. This looks so much better. Does anyone else feel like they deserve a gold star when they do like the bare minimum of, you know, life things? Because me. All right, we finally made it into the car. We are on our way to Orange County. I think we have like an hour. Not bad. We missed traffic. Picked up the birthday cake. We got the birthday cake from Susie Cakes. It's so good. Let's go.
She got bitches, bing, 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 bing. She got bitches, he got bitches, he got bitches, bing, 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 bing. He got bitches, he got